Hi everyone, welcome to our Facebook page. We're going to draw the face of the bunny, cut it and keep it aside. Now paste 3 straws and put it inside the paper cup. Now we're going to paste the face and hand of the bunny and it's ready. Look at these egg monsters. Let's make it. Here we're going to remove the yolk from the egg, then color it. You can use different colors. Now tear some tissue papers and stuff it inside the egg. Fill it with water and look, it's ready. Now you can color it, draw the eyes and look, it's ready. You can also use some craft paper. We're going to take this paper cup, cut the base and paste this balloon at the back side and look, it's ready. Let's make these hopping bunnies using craft paper. Take 2 craft paper and fold it in a zigzag way. Now draw the face of the bunny and paste it on the top of it. Similarly, paste the legs and it's ready. Let's make this fun craft. We're going to take this paper, fold it and draw the face of the bunny. Make sure to make a hole at the center. Now paste it like this. Now we're going to paste a balloon at the center and look, it is ready. When you squeeze it, the balloon will blow. Let's make these colorful paper cup chicks. We're going to take this yellow paper cup, cut it from the top. Now we're going to cut different shapes like the wings, feet, using craft paper and paste all of them together. Paste the googly eyes. Now roll this craft paper and make a stick, cut it and we're going to make the feet here. Paste it on the bottom side of the paper cup and look, it is ready. Roll this orange craft paper and make a cone. Now we're going to make the leaves using green craft paper, paste googly eyes, draw the smiley face and it's ready. Take this paper cup and draw the ears on the side. Similarly, we're going to cut all of them. We're making bunny shape here. Draw the eyes and smiley face, color it and it's ready. Here we are going to draw the shape of the egg, cut it and then using colorful sketch pen we are going to draw different shapes. Cut it into half. Now we are going to make the chick using yellow craft paper. Paste all of them together on the ice cream stick. Now we are going to paste it inside the egg and look, it's ready. We're going to cut circle and paste googly eyes, draw the face of the bunny and look, it's ready. Now we're going to take 2 different papers, fold it and make the ears. Similarly, roll another stick and look, it is ready. Let's use these rolls and make bunny out of it. Cover it using craft paper, paste the eyes and ears of the bunny, draw the mouth and look, it's ready. You can also paste legs and how cute these are looking. We're going to take this pink color of craft paper and fold it from the corners. Tuck the paper inside. Look how we are doing here. Flip it and again fold it. Look how we are going to do. We're going to make the face and ears of the bunny. Pull it up and it's ready. After this, we're going to make the back side. Tuck the paper inside and look, it's ready. Draw the eyes and look how cute this bunny is looking. You can adjust the ears and it's done. Thank you so much for watching this video.